Hi friends, it's Becky and I want to share my October 2024 Beads of the Month subscriptions from Adornable Elements. I get 2 of the 6 available bead subscriptions. I get the 11 seed beads of the month, the 2-hole beads of the month, and because they have 6 different subscriptions and it was so hard for me to decide initially, I also get the rotating beads of the month so that I can sometimes have some of those other bead subscriptions that are available, like the Delica beads of the month, fire polish, which is check glass fire polish beads, hot and trendy, which is not just 2-hole beads, but maybe 3-hole beads or 4-hole beads, or some really cool and interesting shapes. And then you've also got the gemstones beads of the month clubs in addition to all of these. There's a Findings Companion Pack subscription that I really love because I always get some unique findings in there that I might not have ever seen anywhere else. So they're really fun to get. I enjoy them a lot. And my Rotating Beads of the Month subscription fell on one of the ones that I already subscribed to. So to make it convenient for me, they went ahead and instead of getting 2 packages of, double the amounts of beads, they just sent their double package because it's available either in a single or a double. The double is just twice the beads, but you get them in, a larger container instead of 2 of the single containers. So they made that very convenient for me today. Alright, so these are the beads that I've got. If you are waiting for yours and you don't want spoilers, this is the point where you would go ahead and hit save to watch later on this video and come back after you've gotten yours. But if you want to see what's in them, then keep watching, and I'm going to pull these away and we'll take a look at the beads that we've got. The theme for my 11 seed beads is Midnight Magic. It gives you a list of all of the beads, their codes, their price, and they all come in 12.5 gram tubes for the single subscription size. And then we've got Apricot Orchard for our 2-hole beads of the month. Again, you've got a list, quantity, price, and for these it's going to be different sizes of things, but like you can see, it's twice the size for your double beads of the month. And some of the ones that came in smaller packages, they come in larger ones here too. So the quantity here is for the double amount. So if I say 10 pieces for double, if you get the single for this, it's going to be 5. And here's our Findings Companion Pack, and we'll open this and look at these in more detail after we've looked at our beads. Oh, can you see? I love this because this Apricot Orchard is making me think of like some fall leaves changing from the greens to the golds and all that in between. And then for the Midnight Magic, we have these gorgeous deep blue beads that we're going to be looking at. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and bring this a little bit closer so that you can see these beads a little more clearly. There we go. And I'm just going to show them and talk about them. The first 11 seed bead of the month seed bead in this is Matte Transparent Cobalt. The next is Semi-Frosted Transparent Cobalt. I love both of those colors. This one is a really fun one. It is Ruby Lined Capri Blue Luster. So that ruby lining really darkens that up a lot, but it gives it a lot of dimension as well. And then we've got Silver Lined Sapphire AB. And Transparent Sapphire. And this is Matte Antique Rose Gold Luster. And this one looked black to me until I got some light behind it. It is Transparent Extra Dark Smoky Amethyst. Oh, I got a super duo hanging out in this one over here. Just had to move that out of the way. And this last one is Crystal Magic Blue. Alright, let's scooch over to our 2-hole beads. This is Crystal Apricot Pyramid. It's a 12mm pyramid bead. It has 2 holes running parallel to 2 of the sides, and there are 5 in the single club and 10 in the double. I am so glad we got these in this month's subscription. This is the Peridot Gold Maple Leaf. This is a leaf bead with these 2 holes that run through the back of it, and there were 16 pieces in the double, so it'd be 8 pieces for the single. And then we've got some 6mm pyramid beads. They're the same as the 12mm, they're just on a smaller scale. And this one is chalk apricot pyramid. So they've got the 2 holes, a flat bottom, and a pointy end. Then we've got some silkies. These are olive beige luster silkies. They have a square shape. One side is flat, the other side has a raised bump, and the holes run perpendicular to the sides, or kitty corner across a couple of those sides. I like silkies. They are a lot of fun to play around with and do some really fun things with. And then we've also got a Twilight Peridot tile bead. These are check glass tile beads. They're square with holes that run parallel to 2 of the sides. And next we've got some chalk full apricot chevron beads. And these chevron beads, again, they've got 2 holes. These sort of go through the chevron shape, running from the inner point to the outer point. They're great for structure in a structural design. And then we've got some Gold Splash Olivine gem duos. And gem duos are a diamond shape. One side of it is going to be flat and the other side will have a pointy bit. And then it's got 2 holes that run through the long pointy ends. And then we've got some super duos. And these are Topaz Luster Super Duos. This one was 22 grams. You'd get 11 grams in the single subscription. I forgot to mention the amounts for the others. The 6mm pyramid beads, single is 25, double is 50. The silkies were 40 for the double, well, 20 for single, 40 for double. The tile beads, 25 for single, 50 for double. Chevrons were 25 for single, 50 for double. And the gem duos were 15 grams, so it would be 7.5 for the single. Alright, but that's our super duos over there. Let's scooch back out and take a look at our Finding subscription. So this is an add-on subscription that you can add on to any of your things. You could also get a crystal add-on subscription. I usually just do the Findings one. Look at these links. They are fantastic. Oh my gosh, that is a really cool chain. See, like unique findings that you don't usually get. Is this a bale bead? It is. It's big and heavy though. Alright, so first we've got luck charms. Various shapes. And there are 3 of them, so where are the luck charms? I guess I don't have luck charms. It's kind of unlucky. That's okay. Yep, Oh, look, charms. Ah, totally out of luck. Charms. That's alright. Because I did get the 3 31mm double swirl links that we were looking at earlier. They are double-sided, so you could mirror them in a design. And then we've got some swivel lobster clasps. These are twisty on there. There's 2 of these. Let's go ahead and stick these over here as we look at them. And then we've got some 10mm ball bails. A couple of fancy toggles. These have a design on them. It's various toggles, so you might have, if you get this subscription, you might have different toggles than I do. And then we've got some rounded diamond chain. That would be this one. It's 4.2mm wide with 2 end caps. This is really lightweight. And it looks like these are the end caps. They would go in through there. I think I would have to yep. So you need to glue those end caps on for this chain. It is shiny and sparkly. And then we've got some teardrop fishhook ear wires with backs. I like that there are backs with these because sometimes this type of ear wire slides right out of my ear. So having some backs really makes these convenient to actually use. And then we've got some oval jump rings. These are 6x4mm and 22 gauge. And this is in the bright silver findings pack. Alright, so that is everything that came in my Adornable Elements subscription for my Beads of the Month Club this month. I will have a link in the description to Adornable Elements if you are interested in subscribing. I do have a coupon code you can use. That coupon code will also tell them that if you subscribe to the same Beads of the Month that I get, you'll get put onto the same rotation, so you get the same beads that I do if they have them available. For instance, if you subscribe to the rotating Beads of the Month, you'll get the same ones that I get every month. Also, if you are a subscriber, make sure you bookmark the page with the patterns that they provide for free every month. It should be listed at the bottom of your packing slip. I am going to have a lot of fun coming up with some fun fall flavored designs, I think, using some of these 2-hole beads especially. It's going to be really, really great. I am looking forward to this a lot. Look forward to some tutorials from me on that. And until next time, my friends, happy beading!